Nag-attend ako ng potluck last week at doon natikman ko yung napakasarap na spaghetti ni Chef Rosebud. Sabi ko nga kay Chef, naalala ko yung luto ng aking late lola na miss na ng buong pamilya, especially during Christmas. Uy, ang bait ni Chef ha. She shared the recipe to me. Kaya naman today, let's cook Chef Rosebud's spaghetti ni Lola. Boil some pasta. Saute garlic and onions in olive oil. Add the ground beef. Season with salt and pepper. Add in the hot dogs. Tomato sauce. Clear soda. And uy, may condensed milk yung recipe ni Chef Rosebud. Bring this to a simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. And to make it more special, let's add the rich creamy goodness of Eden cheese. At syempre, let's top it with this easy-to-grate Eden cheese. Perfect din ito sa iba pang Noche Buena classics such as leche flan, caldereta, at iba pa. Ang sarap! I can't wait to share this with my family. So what are you waiting for? Gumawa ka na rin at kumpletuhin ang saya at sarap ng Pasko with Eden cheese.